So it's the next day, and this is where we left off. Um, the batteries are installed. I have two ANL fuse block already mounted, ready to go. So now, what I'm going to do is mount this charger right here. Then I'm going to make a connection, but I'm going to put make ends like these. Then I'm going to run a other circuit to a ignition 12 to turn on this unit. So let's do that. So for that, I'm gonna use a punch to mark the hole. Then I'm going to drill it. Then I got these M4 by 70 25, and I have some 4mm washer, which is going to be paired with some 5mm lock nut, and then these are M4 by 70 X nut. So let's get it. So it's installed and I test fitted everything and it fits, nothing rub. So time to make some connection from here to there and from here to there. So I want it to be about this length when I take it off. So yeah, and so I'm gonna just crimp these on, heat shrink and all of that. Guys, so this is where I'm at currently. So this is coming from the battery, the starter battery or the alternator, and then this is going to the lithium battery bank. So what I did, I cut wires to length, as you can see, then use my crimp tool plus lug nuts and crimp them together, heat shrink, and then electrical tape to get some form of protection. So next thing I'm gonna do is on here run this wire to the front to tell this to turn on. So let me do that real quick. So guys, this is how I run the turn on the DC to DC charger. I'm currently out of time because I have to drive out like right now, so I just not it up but put it together as operational as possible. So you're gonna need a test light, turn the switch off, find a switch or fuse that doesn't have any power when it's off. The fuse that I'm using is actually G9, and G9 is a 15 amp engine power tool. So when it's off it doesn't get any power, when it's on it get power. So then I run it back to the DC to DC. I put a slit right here so the wire can pass through. So let me go and test it now. So truck is on, so technically we should have power. So switch is on, and start this truck. So if we turn this on, we should have power on the DC to DC charger. So let's go check. As you can see, we got light. So that's all I have for you guys. I'm just gonna pack my stuff up, then I'm gonna drive out. If you guys have ever done anything like this before, please leave it in the comment, tell me what you think. And as I said, I'm going to be testing this. It's my first time using lithium, and I'll keep you guys informed of the failure or the success. So with that, this is the end of the video. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.